Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x800701aa, the cloud operation was not completed, then let's look at the following solutions. The first solution would be is to check your internet speed, because sometimes if the internet speed is not fast enough, you get this error. So we'll go to a site like fast.com, enter, and I am getting a speed of 190, but minimum you need to have a speed of 20 megabytes per second and above. If it's below 20 megabytes, you definitely have a issue with your internet connection, and you need to speak to your internet service provider. The second option would be is to check for the OneDrive or the Windows Server status. So what we can do is we can look for Windows OneDrive server status, and we'll go to this link, portal.office.com server status. We are all good. That's good for them, and all are in green. So the reason I'm telling you this is, if the server is down sometimes on Microsoft's behalf, which is very rarely, this error can occur. The third solution would be is to reset OneDrive, and we do that by opening the Windows, the run panel. We press Windows and R, and we copy this command. You will find this command in the description of this video. So we'll copy this command, Control plus C, paste it in this, and press enter. The final solution, if none of this works, which is very rare, but the final solution is you need to restart the system in clean boot. That is a clean configuration where only Windows services will be running, and all the third party services will not run on startup. You have to manually start them. So how do we do that is we look for system configuration in the search panel, open system configuration, look for the services tab, and a word of caution before we proceed: before we disable any of the services, we need to hide all Microsoft. You see a lot of Microsoft services here. If you disable them, what will happen is, on restart, your computer will not be able to reach out to the services, and your computer will fail to restart, which will cause a major problem for you. So we need to click on this, hide all Microsoft services. And once you do that, then we can check the third party services which we feel are causing the error. So disable all, apply, OK, and then click on restart, and this problem should disappear. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.